Hey, this is Weaver Renee 7. Welcome to another video. I will be reading in the month of August, Psalm 27, verse 14. For those who may be going through something and are seeking God for an answer, I want you to be encouraged by this verse. It is, wait on the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. This is Psalm 27, verse 14. Now, I don't know if I'm going to read the same verse throughout the month of August, but I may change it out and just read verses from the chapter of Psalm 27. We shall see. So y'all, this video is going to be about a product that I wanted to use and for my hair, and I was able to be blessed by it. A friend of mine that I've been knowing for some years now, Rosalind, she had blessed me with this. I was trying to get it online, and first I was trying to go in the store and get it. They didn't have it, so they said maybe try online. I tried online, couldn't get it either. It was just sold out, and I'm glad because I wanted to help this young lady with some products because she seemed to be a positive person. So this is Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown. Here are two of them. One is the conditioner and one is the shampoo. And I wanted to try it. Then they were saying, it smells like something. So of course I wanted to try it because I like smelling good. So this is supposed to smell like sweet potato pie, y'all. So I probably won't go into everything. It doesn't have a whole lot of like parabens. Let me see if I can see some of these things it doesn't have. But it's some things that is not supposed to have in it so that it can, be more healthier for you. No parabens, color safe, mineral oil free. Here are some of the things here, but you can go online. Ulta does have that information, and you can check it out and, see what it is that you might like to know about the product. Hopefully they will give you the answer there. And here's something else. One of them, this is the sweet potato pie extra creamy hair cream. And this one is sweet potato pie extra creamy hair and scalp oil. So you can use this in your scalp as well, y'all. But I'm going to show you how each of them are. I did, and look at this. This is a Temu situation going on right here. I purchased something from Temu and it ended up taking the paint off my wall. But y'all excuse that. I'm gonna try to block it with my dome. But y'all, this is the product. Yes, there's some heat damage. I don't press my hair a lot, so my hair is very sensitive in the front, and yeah, but you can see it's coming back. It's coming back. Look at that. It's coming back. And right here, how my hair looks, I am salt and pepper. Or I'll say pepper and salt. I'm not, I think I have more than I might not now, y'all. But this is how my hair look. We had went walking. So this is my hair. And I clipped the ends to some of this, and some of it is still a little raggedy, but yeah, me with the change of life is causing me to be dried up. So I want to tell you about this. This is and I'm always looking for something that's moisturizing because I need the moisture. This is I'll start with the shampoo, y'all. This is and all of them are supposed to smell like, to my knowledge, sweet potato pie. And this is extra creamy moisturizing shampoo. And I looked online and some of them are range from the price of like $15. So hopefully they will have a sale if it's too much for you. Or you can just get one or the other. You know, sometimes that's what I do. I'll get one product if I can't get it all. And this is it said made with real sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla, and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. Perfect hair recipe for nourishment and moisture for hair and scalp. And I did real good, y'all. For me not to have my glasses on. They over there waiting for me to put them on. Now, this is what this is, the shampoo, y'all. It is supposed to be extra creamy moisturizing. It was creamy. First of all, the smell. It smells good. And I can smell the spice in it. I asked my husband, how did it smell? He said it smelled good. So I said, what can you get from this fragrance? The scent. And he said cinnamon. So it is in here. So I'm glad he could smell it. It didn't smell bad. We went walking because, I mean, it could have smelled sour or anything, but it smelled good, he said. So this is supposed to be moisturizing. Did I get moisture from this? A little, but I will say because of my situation, it may be just my hair. But I felt it like it was getting a little matted, so, you know, like hard to get through. So I decided to add more water to it and it was fine. And I will say, y'all, it lathers up great. It has a nice lather to it. And I want something that, if possible, can give me a clean feeling when I wash my hair. It doesn't have to be stripped, but that my hair feels like I've gotten out whatever was in there that was dirtying up my hair. And I feel like this did the job, and I was able to wash my hair and get the product out, which I had a lot of gel and leave-in in my hair. This is the leave-in. I like this. This is nice and creamy, and I feel like it helped to give me manageable hair. It helped with making my hair soft, and I do feel a hold, some type of hold to my hair. It's not crunchy, but I feel like it is giving me a hold. Now, this is the extra creamy hair cream, and they suggest that you use the scalp oil, and let this be the step 2. The hair and scalp oil, this would be the first one, and then this would be the last product that you would put in your hair. So it would be, first you shampoo your hair, what I did, and then I conditioned it, and then I rinsed it out. And then I reapplied the leave-in conditioner, and then I added the scalp oil, and then the creamy hair cream. And I feel like with these 3 together, help give me manageable hair. And it feels nice, and I'm gonna see how it goes. I did some of my hair last night, and tonight is night again. So I did this part right here I had left to do today. But this, by being done yesterday, it feels nice. I don't know if you can see this. It feels like it has something in my hair, but it doesn't feel oily, if you get what I'm saying. I do like it. This right here is the hair cream, and I'm gonna show you what this looks like. This is the hair cream, and my friend had used some, and it was a lot in here. She didn't use much, but me, I really dug into it, and I like the way it looked. And I don't know if you can see it. I'm sorry, y'all. Moving some. Ooh, yeah. It smells good. It smells good. And this is the hair and scalp. I'm sorry, y'all. Hair and scalp oil. This right here is what it looks like. And I feel like this is a controlled product. Looks like a butter. And let me see if I can get some out. I will, if you can see that. And yeah, it's going in here, y'all. I'll take care of that. I don't usually like to dig my hands in here when I'm in the container. When I am styling my hair, I will take it and put it on the lid and go from there. And if there is hair that I need to take off, I will take it off. I don't like digging into the jar and applying the product to my hair. So I would say, y'all, this product here is something that I have enjoyed, and yes, I would want to buy it again. But I don't know when, because I have a lot of products, but I would recommend y'all to try it. My hair is 4B. Well, it's A, B, C, and then there may be D there. Somewhere up here. D is maybe up here somewhere. And yeah, A is in the back, or I'll say a softer B texture. But I have a blend in my hair, and I feel like this helped to manage my hair, and it's moving. It's moving. And my hair is thin up here. But like I said, I didn't put any hair down. Like I tried to put some hair there to camouflage this little space right here. Well, y'all, this is the end of the video. My overall review over this is I do like the product. I like the scent, and I would like to hopefully one day purchase it. Thank you so much for taking out the time to view my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like my content, and hit that notification bell so you know when I will be uploading another video. Bye. Be blessed.